You ready, Abs?
Yeah.
Say hello. Hey,
Hello.
this is Abby. She's going to open her vintage bow chic order that's arrived today. There's a lot of bows in here. Ewan has opened it and ripped it, the tape, yeah. So, are you going to open it up, Abs, and see what you got? Tissue paper.
Pink.
It's pink, yeah.
I'm going to start with my favourite.
Go on then.
I'm not really sure which one's my favourite.
We'll just take them out one by one and see what you think. There's one right by your nose, I can see it.
Ta-da!
So that's the fringe set, isn't it?
Fringe.
What do you think?
Fringe.
Is there? There's two, so you've got them in yellow and blue.
I don't really like pink, and that was pink.
There was pink, but you don't like pink, so we got that one, didn't we? Those two. What do you think?
I love them.
You love them?
You can have a closer look.
So we got the fringe set in yellow and the fringe set in blue.
Let me just find another.
What else have you got, Abs?
Um,
Just pick one and have a look. The big rainbow one. What do you think of that?
love
So we got the rainbow with the heart bling in it. What one's that, Abs?
What did you call it?
I don't know. Have a look. Oh, you got that one.
My favourite.
That was the one you really wanted, wasn't it?
And there was one to go with it.
That's the crown one, isn't it? Yeah, they're both the boho ones. Is that what you mean?
Ho, 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 ho.
Boho.
Ho, ho, ho. Merry Christmas.
What do you think? That is beautiful. Look at that.
Wonderful. That's no beads.
It's got beads on it. Just have a look.
In the picture.
So it's the crown. So that's a headband one, Abs. That's not just a clip.
Oh my god.
The unicorns.
No.
Oh, the contemporary cameo.
Mummy. I like the middle.
I know you do.
Closer look.
Closer look. So we've got the contemporary camo and the unicorns.
I think there's three in this one. No, only two.
So you got the swan and Batgirl. So look, that swan is so pretty. So pretty, and Batgirl is cool. What's that one?
The one that you looked at, but I did.
Oh, the bridal collection one, yeah. With the pearls and the flowers. That's even prettier in real life than the picture. Oh, the pearl one, yeah.
I love pearls.
I know you do.
Closer look.
So it's got glitter and a leatherette
Oh,
and another glitter
my
and pearls.
God.
That was your favourite out of those, wasn't it?
No, the pearl one.
That is, oh, I thought that was the pearl one. So that's those. They are simply beautiful. Look at
Mummy
them.
likes these and Libby.
They're the boho.
I also like
Yeah,
them. Libby and Mummy like them.
yeah.
Libby's and Libby.
Libby's your friend, isn't
Yeah, my
she?
friend. Libby.
Oh, you got the dinosaur one.
And then there's still that dinosaur one. Well, you can't wear it. I know, but I will grow my hair.
You're going to grow your hair, are you,
I'm
Xander?
going to get proceeds for your hair.
What do you think then, Abs? It's a pretty mega little haul, isn't it? So you got your bohos and your dinosaur and your tie-dye. Bridals.
Mummy, I don't want that one. I only wanted that one.
I know, but they came as a set, sweetheart. And then we've got the fringe clips. We've got more to come yet, haven't we?
Yeah.
More bridals and bohos.
Bridals and boho. Weird.
Batgirl and the swan. Abby, there's so many. That's my favourite.
What one is it?
The rainbow.
Yeah.
What do you think, Abby?
Lovely. I love this box.
Is it like the best box ever?
No, I don't mean this box. I mean
The stuff in the box, yeah. The box isn't the best box ever, but what's in the box is the best parcel ever, yeah?
Yeah.
So what do you say? Do you say thank you to Vicky?
Thank you, Vicky.
Do you like them?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Love them too much.
You love them too much?
I've also got some little ones upstairs.
You've got lots upstairs, haven't you? We'll have to get a stash shop.
It fills the whole thing.
It has filled your whole holder, isn't it? Mummy's have to make you another one.
Yes, you have to make me 2 more.
2 more?
2 more.
Okay. So what do we say? Thank you, Vicky.
Thank you, Vicky. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
I can't wait for the next one.